Assalamu alaikum. In the last video, we rendered data with this index method. Now we will store data. We will insert data into database with this store method. So let us start. We will start with this try catch block as the same we do. So write try, taking from the previous catch block. It will be same. So here we will validate our data from user, because user can insert any malicious data. Validation data, request, validate function. In this validate function, we will pass array of data according to our table, which data we are going to accept from here. User ID, name, phone, rule and address. So let's write here all the field. This user ID is already have in our database. We will render which is already logged in. It is required and exist users ID. Name, it is also required, and this must be string. Maximum 255, whatever you want. In the same way, we will fill all of the column. Address, phone, and we have a rule number. Okay, our validation is complete. Now let's use Laravel create method under student variable, because we need to return all the value. Create, just put here validation data. When we learn file upload, then this create we will use in different way. You will see in next video. So same way in return response, data will be student and status success. We can send a message also, whatever you like. We send our data. Okay, we almost done. Name, user ID, phone number, rule, everything we created. Now it's time to go to model. Be careful here, we have to always use fillable, and in the array, what is the column we are going to accept data, we must include in the array here all the field. User ID, name, if we don't include here, data will not go to the database, and then you will think everything is okay. Why my data is not inserting? User ID, name, address, phone, and role. This 5 field we are inserting into database. Okay, now everything is okay. This is our API endpoint. Let's go to post. All the field I already set up, and API endpoint also. This is HTTP post request. We know when we're going to insert data, we have to use post. And user ID, this is from our user. Let's fill up all the data. Let's try. Here is an error, and maybe I missed the user's table name. Okay, let's check. Oh yes, I missed the s in the last. Our data has been inserted. This is our ID. Let's check in the database. Yes, is our data inserted. We can check again. Let's try. And this is our data. If we don't use this user, our data will not inserted because we have relationship with this column. User is invalid. So thank you for watching. In the next video we will learn how to update data.